Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock home screen layout in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, then go to settings option and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see lock home screen layout. Now just enable this option from here and it's done. Now your home screen layout has been locked successfully. Now you cannot add or remove any apps on the home screen. If you want to remove this app, just touch and hold it, then tap on remove, and you can see remove option is disabled. Also, if you want to add Facebook on the home screen, just touch and hold it and you can see it's disabled. Also, if you cannot find this option here, just go back, then go to app screen, then tap on three dots, then go to settings option, and here it is. You can also lock or unlock your home screen layout from here. And that is how you can change home screen layout in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.